What's up guys, and welcome back once again to Dadset Reviews Tech. As you know, I've changed the channel name, so hopefully you've become accustomed to that by now. So this one's just going to be a quick video. Excuse for the poor lighting quality at the moment. Basically, I'm just going to show you around my sort of new setup. It is a work in progress, so bear with me. It is going to look a bit rough and ready at the moment, but I just want to show you what I'm doing and what my plans are for it. So obviously any comments, any ideas you have of stuff I should do, then I'm always happy to hear those. So please let me know in the comment section below. But I'm just going to take a quick tour. It's only going to be a couple of minutes video, and then we're going to go through basically what I've planned, and then you can tell me what you think as well. So quickly, let's just flip the camera. So this is the front. This is where all the stuff's stored. This is my garage, or garage if you're American. And basically, as you can see, there's just stuff everywhere at the moment. And this is my spare desk, which is going to be used for my test system. That's a spare monitor that's going to be used for test systems and things like that, with my power supply. This is obviously, again, like I say, a work in progress. It's all going to be sorted out. Got a key light up there, sorry to blind you. So that's the basically front of house where I'm going to sit and basically do my sort of reviews and teardowns and builds and things like that. So that's where most of the filming will be done. And then basically most of the filming is going to be done from sort of over here. So as you can see, this is my setup now. It's usable at the moment. Everything's in there in terms of my PC, my monitor, everything like that is in here ready to go. I just need to decorate it and fill some space and get rid of some mess. As you can see, all this stuff down here, which is going to go elsewhere in the near future, hopefully. Some Pokemon cards there, which I haven't opened yet. As you can see, it's just bare brick walls at the moment. So I'm going to basically get some sort of decoration up here. I'm thinking of doing a wall-mounted PC there with the InWin Mod 3 series, so that's going to be coming hopefully very soon, because it's going to be quite an easy project. But obviously I'll do a video on that. There's my monitor, my Samsung G9. I've put a bit of extra light on the top of it as well, just obviously brighten up the area a bit more. My Noble chair is Epic chair, which I've had for a long time, absolutely amazing, still love it. Over here, like I say, this is all junk, basically stuff that needs to go into the house. CNC machine, which I haven't used for a long time. 3D printed resin printers and stuff like that over here, but nothing really to talk about at the moment. Then going over here, we've got my mini PC in the InWin F3 at the moment. That's obviously going to be coming out and going on the wall, or some of it is, and then basically when I can get my hands on a 9800X3D, I'm going to be doing another system as well, which is going to be going in this sort of case down here, which is my Phanteks 719, which I absolutely love and I haven't used for a while. And then we go over to my shelving, which is where all my products are kept and stuff. There's a few bits down here and stuffed under there at the moment. Everything still needs organising a bit better. So let's just go through what I've got. Down here we've got power supplies at the bottom, and we move up, we've got AIO liquid coolers. A few more air liquid coolers, got quite a lot of them, and then we move up to air coolers, sort of bigger ones on the left and above it as well, and then on the right over here we've got sort of more low profile stuff over there as well. So you can see these are all the ones I've previously reviewed. That spills over a little bit over to the Noctua, and then we've sort of got, this is at the moment just a bit of a mess. It's going to be motherboard boxes and graphics card boxes and processors and stuff like that, and we've got sort of peripherals and things like that, stuff I've previously reviewed. Mics, mountain arms, as you can see, all that kind of stuff. And then we're moving down, we've got fans. I've got absolutely tons of fans. These again need all organised, and they're all out of the boxes at the moment, stuff behind here. So that's all needs to be sorted out, and I'm maybe going to do a display over here, maybe put some fans down the side of this sort of shelving unit, and hopefully power them up so it adds a bit more lighting effect and stuff like that. And then finally down here we've got more peripherals, headsets, mice, keyboards, that kind of thing. And at the bottom at the moment I've just got the InWin Mod 3 series case that's in bits at the moment, until I sort out what I'm doing with it. We've got a load of rubbish under the desks, which you don't really need to know about at the moment. And then we've also got another InWin case that I need to review. So that's it guys. I hope you sort of enjoyed this, and gives you an insight into what I'm doing and how it's going to go. And like I said, I'd love to hear from you if you guys got any sort of ideas of what you want to do, what I should do with this, any ideas in terms of decorating or anything at all, basically. Give me a shout in the comments and I'll see if I can get that done, or obviously I'll reply to you and let you know what I'm doing and if I can do that or not. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you soon. Hopefully it'll be more finished next time I see you. Goodbye, thanks for watching.